Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2016 Chevy Colorado Z71 Crew Cab 4-wheel drive. Stock number X985XX. 37,000 miles on this Colorado comes to us with a clean auto check history report, red rock metallic in color. This Colorado was previously GM certified. You do receive the balance of that certified warranty. Seats 5. Rear sliding window for extra ventilation. And rear defrost for excellent visibility. Soft tonneau cover, Z71 off-road suspension, locking tailgate, backup camera, and heavy-duty trailering package. That backup camera is perfect for hooking up a trailer without any assistance. Easy lift tailgate, drop-in bed liner for protection as well as easy cleaning. Step bars make it easy to get in and out, especially for kids or shorter passengers. This Z71 has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power seats, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Shift on the fly, 4-wheel drive. Large, easy to read with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control. Large touchscreen infotainment system, full radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. It's Android Auto and Apple CarPlay compatible. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Automatic temperature control, along with heated front seats. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect media devices. Automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest, and a spacious glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Colorado has a 3.6 liter V6, 305 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the truck. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 17 miles to the gallon and a city average of 24 on the highway, and approximately 40% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Colorado, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.